Tired of cloudy glasses that ruin the look of your table setting? Imagine lifting a glass that shines like crystal with almost no effort. In this video, we'll share quick and effective hacks to get sparkling clean glassware right at home. Whether it's for daily use or a special dinner, these tips will make your glasses look flawless. Definition: sparkling glassware means crystal clear glasses without water spots, streaks, or cloudy buildup. It's about keeping your drinkware looking new and impressive every time. Step-by-step practical guide 1. Rinse your glasses with warm water immediately after use to prevent stains. 2. Soak them in a mixture of white vinegar and warm water for 10 minutes to remove cloudiness. 3. Gently scrub with a soft sponge or microfiber cloth to avoid scratches. 4. Rinse again with filtered water for a spotless finish. 5. Air dry upside down on a clean towel or polish with a lint-free cloth for extra shine. Tools explained: you'll need white vinegar, warm water, a soft sponge or microfiber cloth, and a lint-free towel. All of these are affordable, safe, and easy to find in any household. Quick tips: add a teaspoon of baking soda to the soak for stubborn stains. Always wash glassware separately to avoid scratches from dishes or cutlery. Use filtered water if you live in a hard water area to reduce mineral spots. Cost comparison: Comacrylic glass cleaning sprays cost around $5 to $10 per bottle, while vinegar and baking soda together cost less than $2 and last for weeks. Workflow: soak in vinegar solution. Scrub gently. Rinse with filtered water, dry or polish. Professional no-test restaurants and hotels often use vinegar-based rinses because they are food safe, inexpensive, and leave glassware crystal clear. This is the same method you can use at home without special equipment. Sparkling glassware is easy to achieve. Rinse right after use, soak in vinegar, scrub gently, rinse again, and polish for that crystal clear finish. Try these hacks today and see the difference yourself. For more smart cleaning tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.